we going?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Gertie. I got the Easter present you gave to me. I really, really love it. I can't wait to show it to my dad. When I got it, I said I'd be just like him because he builds stuff too. So, I'm making the roof of the birdhouse. You can actually make 3 in them, but making the roof of the birdhouse. But yeah, it's really cool. I really appreciate it.
Let's see, working at. Is she next door? Or is she by the fence?
I don't know.
Alright, Gertie. We'll show you the finished product soon.
I love you, Gertie. Bye. I love you too, Poppy. Ah!
Uh-oh. Hurricane! Tornado!
Are you still going?
I'm going. We'll fix it. Do you need help?
What?
What? What?
Got it. I got it. Woo! Okay, thanks, Gertie. Bye.